How do I bake a ham for the holiday season in our farm's kitchen? Presented by Offshan Farms Kitchen. Soak the ham in cold water for 12 hours. Then, place the ham skin side up in a deep open roaster and cover with hot water to within 2 inches of the roaster's top. Bake for 10 minutes at 350 degrees, then reduce to 250 degrees and cook for 20 minutes per pound. Remove the ham from the refrigerator 1 hour before cooking. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the ham in a roasting pan, cut side up. Pour the orange juice and ginger ale over the ham. Bake for 20 minutes, covered securely with foil. Is glazed ham necessary? Glazing a ham is a great way to improve the flavor, color, and texture of cooked ham. It's not difficult, and you can make a simple and delicious ham glaze with ingredients you most likely already have in your refrigerator or pantry. A fully cooked, ready-to-eat ham can be sliced and eaten cold or at room temperature without the need for reheating. This is an excellent way to enjoy spiral-cut ham, whether by the slice, in biscuits, or in a grilled cheese sandwich. The glaze should not be applied until the last hour to 30 minutes to avoid burning the sugar. Simply combine most of the ingredients into a paste and apply it to the ham to produce the glaze. The rest will be taken care of by the heat in your oven. When should I apply the ham glaze? Wait until the last 15 to 20 minutes of baking to glaze the ham. If you brush it on too soon, the sugar will burn the glaze. For every 5 to 10 pounds of ham, make at least 1 cup of glaze. How do you keep a ham moist after it's been butchered? If you prefer, lay the ham slices in a baking dish, and tightly cover it with foil to keep the steam in check. Do not skimp on the liquid in the foil packet. This is how the meat maintains its moisture. How long can a ham be kept in the refrigerator? A whole ham can be kept in the fridge for up to 75 days. A half ham will last about 60 days. Refrigerated pre-cooked or spiral-cut ham will keep for about a week. Uncooked or cooked ham can be safely stored in a refrigerator at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below for many days. Wrap leftover ham tightly and place it in the refrigerator as soon as possible. Allow no more than 2 hours for the ham to get to room temperature. If it is not going to be used within 4 days of cooking, it should be frozen. We hope you find this information useful.